तो क्या हाल चाल है भाई लोग। आज मैं बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट करने वाला हूँ जो आप में से बहुत लोगों को हेल्प करने वाला है। तो इफ़ यू हैव बीन अटेंडिंग माई लाइव्स यू नो दैट आई हैव created a Facebook group, a private Facebook group by the name of Pranav's VIP. That is basically the VIP members of the community that I am trying to build here. आपको community का मतलब पता है ना क्या होता है? Community का मतलब होता है a group of people who support each other, ठीक है, in their journey and achieve their goals together. That is my aim here with the group. In short, people in this group are basically helping each other to stay on track, sharing amazing recipes with each other so that if somebody is making something good, everyone can easily make that. And apart from that, if somebody gets off track, we all are there together to support that person. That is my aim with building this community. To be very honest, I had started this group initially just for my clients, my paid clients, but because of the amazing response that you guys are showing, because of the help that people are getting from this group, from this community, I am opening it up to everyone, okay? Everyone who wants some help with their journey, everyone who wants me to correct them while they are on their journey, you all are welcome to the group. Just a couple of pointers to keep in mind if you want to be a part of this amazing VIP community. First thing is you should be on a journey where you want to improve your health, or at least you should be willing to start your journey as soon as possible. That's the first condition. Second thing is you should be willing to contribute, okay? In this community, we are trying to help each other get better, get healthier, get fitter together, okay? So that is the second condition, and you should be willing to share, okay? That is the whole thing here. That is the whole idea, concept behind the community. And I don't want people who are not willing to help other people, who are just there to observe, spectator. I don't want people like that. So if you qualify these conditions, here is how you get to become a part of the community. You go to the Facebook page by the name of Pranav Chandyal and just say join group there. It's a private Facebook group, so I get to approve you. And once I approve you, you become the part of the community. You get to see the awesome recipes, awesome questions asked by people which can help you, and the support of other amazing VIP members. So that was the thing that I wanted to announce, and I hope it is going to help a lot of you out there. Go check out the first link in my bio, in my Instagram bio. You can go and visit that link to join the community, and I hope to see you on the other end. Also, one last thing, we already have 50 awesome VIP members in the community. I am actually willing to open it up to a maximum of 100 members, okay? After that, it would be just my clients. So if you want to take the benefit of this amazing opportunity, you have to hurry up. Go, get yourself enrolled. It is for free right now.